All right, so today is October 13th, which means it is Treat Yourself Day. Okay, that was embarrassing. For those of you who don't know what that is, it is a, I guess, unofficial day that was made popular by the show Parks and Recreation by the characters Tom and Donna, where they basically go on a shopping spree and they treat themselves for the entire day.
The best day of the year.
And what's really funny is I purchased something last week and it literally arrived today. So I figured it's a perfect time. I never do these unboxing things, but it arrived and I thought that I would just open it and share it with the people. So I obviously know what this is, but before I explain what it is or reveal what it is, I just want to say that sometimes it is nice to at least have one day out of the year that you get to treat yourself and you get to make yourself feel special. And you know what? Bills are always going to be there. Find something that brings you some joy. And usually it's a little bit of retail therapy, and that's totally fine too. Like I said, life is short and sometimes you just gotta do what makes you happy. I'm in lots of debt. There's a lot of debt coming. This baby's coming. I just figured like now's a great time to splurge on myself before I can no longer splurge on myself. And I decided to say, okay, and just pop off. So I did. So those who are Google fans, Google had their release announcement last week and their new phone, the Google Pixel 7, went on sale, as well as their watch. And I bought them both. And I just really feel like I need one. I just want a new phone. I mean, I don't just want a new phone. I feel like it's a great, a great investment because, you know, I'm doing more social media things. I figured it was a good opportunity. I have a new baby coming on the way. I'm gonna be doing lots of videos and want to make sure that it's like top tier, top notch. And I don't have an Android watch or anything like that. So I figured I would just go in on it all. You know what I mean? Treat yourself. Treat yourself. That's my advice for today. Okay, are we ready? Let's do this. Okay, first thing I see, well, this is an easy one first. I will do the casemate. I also ordered a case. Can you see it? Because I figured I would need one right away. And here it is. Let's do the Google Watch. Google Watch. I'll leave the phone for the last. I never do unboxings, but now I understand why people do them. So satisfying. Just, oh. People talk about this, the smoothness. Huh? Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Ooh. Why is my heart pounding? What a great day. What a great day. There she is. There she is. There she is. She's like, got some chrome life going on. Some like silvery chrome. Like, okay, I'm just gonna put it all in. Cute. Cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so cool. It says it's supposed to be like a champagne gold, but I mean, I guess it's kind of a champagne gold. I can't really tell. It almost looks silver. I thought it was silver, but yeah, I see it. All right, I'm gonna keep it on and I'll deal with all this other stuff later, but in the spirit of Treat Yourself Day, let's get to the next thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. And I got this color. This is the color I decided on. It's the hazel colored one. Which isn't hazel, but okay. But ooh. Ooh. What a beautiful phone. Ooh, I don't know why I'm whispering, but what a beautiful phone. Hello, Rich? Hi, Rich. Is that you? Rich? Me? Oh, no, not me. You? Rich? Is that you? It feels nice in the hand. I can't compare it to the phone that I'm obviously using now, which is a great phone. It's a OnePlus. I'm so freaking excited to use this. But, okay, that was my unboxing. I got a watch. I got a phone. I feel like that's more than enough to really make myself feel like this Treat Yourself Day was a big winner. But yeah, today is October 13th and you should treat yourself if you haven't done so already, if you know what I mean. Whatever it is, it doesn't have to be something you need to buy. Go for that, I don't know. Just treat yourself today, okay? Because I feel great. I'm ready to continue my day and keep it going, and you should too. And what debt? Debt what? Who said debt? Debt? We're not talking about it today, okay? Not today. Credit card bills? Right. But you know what? It's fine. It's fine. But that's it. That's it. Okay, bye.